Avoid the trap. Bad versus badly in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another engaging lesson where we dive deep into the intricacies of English grammar. Today, we're focusing on a pair of words that are commonly confused: bad and badly. They might seem interchangeable at first glance, but they aren't. Let's get started and iron out the wrinkles in our understanding of these words. Before we dive into the specific words, let's refresh our memory about adjectives and adverbs. Remember, adjectives describe or modify nouns, giving us more information about them. On the other hand, adverbs usually modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Now, let's explore our main topic: bad versus badly. The word bad is an adjective, and badly is an adverb. So, if you're describing a noun, you should use bad. When modifying a verb, badly is the correct choice. For example, in the sentence, I feel bad about forgetting her birthday, bad is modifying feel, a linking verb. Now, if we say, I performed badly on the test, badly is modifying performed, an action verb. Here's where it gets tricky. Some verbs, like feel, can be linking verbs or action verbs depending on the context, and that affects whether we use bad or badly. The rule of thumb is, use bad if the verb is linking, indicating a state of being, and badly if the verb is showing action. 1. Mistake: saying, I feel badly, when you mean, I feel bad. 2. Correction: use bad with the linking verb, feel, when expressing emotion. So, say, I feel bad, not, I feel badly. Another mistake comes from trying too hard to be correct, leading to overcorrection. 1. Mistake: saying, I did bad on the test, when you mean, I did badly on the test. 2. Correction: use badly with the action verb, do, when expressing performance. So, say, I did badly on the test, not, I did bad on the test. That's a wrap for today's lesson on the often confused words bad and badly. Remember, bad is an adjective and badly is an adverb. Use them correctly to add clarity to your speech and writing. Keep practicing, and don't worry if you make mistakes along the way. They're a part of the learning process. Stay curious and keep learning. Until our next lesson, happy language learning!